Hello, I'm Prachi. I'm a professional pastry chef and I'm going to teach you how to make the best eggless whole wheat vanilla cake. Let's get right into it. First, in a bowl, I'm taking some fresh yogurt and adding baking soda to it. Now whisk this really well until it becomes light and airy. What's happening here is simple science. The baking soda reacts with the yogurt, creating air bubbles, and this is what acts as our egg replacement. Once that looks airy, I'm adding oil and sugar. Mix this until it turns smooth, slightly glossy. Don't rush this step. This helps give the cake structure and moisture. Now we add vanilla for flavor. Next goes in whole wheat flour along with baking powder. Gently mix everything. Remember to sift your baking powder and flour. Gently mix everything together. Now very important, do not overmix. Whole wheat flour already has more structure than all-purpose flour and overmixing will make the cake dense. As soon as the batter is smooth and lump-free, stop. Transfer the batter into a greased and lined tin. I always grease my tins with butter and flour or oil and flour because nobody likes a cake that sticks. Tap out any excess flour if there is. Transfer the batter into the tin and even it out. Make sure your oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius with both rods on for at least 10 minutes. Preheating is not optional. If your oven isn't properly heated, your cake won't rise properly. Now place the tin in your preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Do not open the oven in the first 20 minutes. This can cause the cake to sink. Bake until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Avoid over baking. Whole wheat cakes can dry out quickly. Once baked, take the cake out and let it rest in the tin for about 10 minutes. Don't demold immediately. The structure is still setting. After 10 minutes, gently run a knife along the edges and demold onto a cooling rack. And that's how you make a soft, fluffy whole wheat vanilla sponge, completely eggless and perfectly moist.